Charles here, and in this video, I want excuse me, I want to talk about an app called Feature Points because I know a lot of people don't have money to start one of these opportunities on the internet. So I came across this app called Feature Points, and basically all you do is you download apps, you can do surveys, and you can share your link on Facebook and Instagram, these other different platforms, and you get points. And as you build your points up, you can trade the points for like a PayPal gift card, and it ranges from $10 all the way up to $1,000. But you're gonna have to work this app in order these apps to make money. It's not a push button, but I know people are looking for free ways to make money because it's not no excuse that you can't make money if you don't have a job and you don't have a job and you you download this app, you join this app, and you just work the app. Download the games and do whatever you have to do, and so you can get the points and just work it every day. It's no excuse for you not to have no money because for one, you're not paying nothing. Well, you're using your time, but if you have nothing else to do, why you can't just download the apps and work the app and build up your points, and then share your link. And in this video, which where sharing your link, you want to go sharing your link. This is what you want to do. You want to go. You want to share your link. This is what's gonna really get you the points, and then when those other people that join your link, they're gonna you get part of when they get points, you get part of their point. You get a percentage of their points. But sharing your link is really the way to really maximize feature points and for you really be able to get to those 500 and $1,000 gift cards. And with sharing your link, the best place you want to go is to Facebook. And I bought a training on how to share your link. So if you join under my link, I'll I'll send out the video. I'll send the video to you, and the person that I bought it from, they'll explain how to create an ad for Facebook and get your link out there in front of a lot of people. So, but the only way that I'll give you the info is you'll have to join under my link. But I do have a training on how to share your link. It's a tutorial that I bought, but it works. So, but you have to join under my link in order for me to pass the info on to you. So, but this. And another thing with this is what, well, I have I started my own company, started a LLC, and what you want to do, you start yourself a LLC, and you build your business credit, and you use and then once you build your business credit up, you monetize your credit. You use your credit to make money. So when you run your Facebook ads, you'll use one of your business credit cards to pay for it, and you can just let it run and just basically let that run, and each month you just pay back whatever you used on your credit card, and just let it run, set it and forget it, and just let it run. And eventually it's because you're going to be constantly having people on seeing your link, on your link, and those people going to join, and it's just going to eventually, it's going to start out slow and they're going to snowball. But you want to operate as official business. You don't want to operate as yourself. You want to start yourself an LLC or a corporation. So, but I just wanted to share this. This is a free way where you can make money, but you're gonna have to work. It's not a push button opportunity. And I'll leave the link in the description. You can sign up under my link, and you can comment, so you can reach out to me if you have any questions, and we'll go from there. Like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on the next video. Peace.